What's up, everybody? Bitcoin J back again. And I got to follow up on all these projects that I'm into. The one I want to follow up on today is Splassive. I put out a video a few weeks ago, probably, I don't know, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, who knows. I'm starting to put out a lot of videos regularly on different projects that I'm into. This one here got me kind of excited because I love Drip. Everyone out there knows about Drip Network. Drip's a fantastic protocol, fantastic platform that was created by Forex Shark. And these guys all kind of know each other. And that platform started almost a year ago. April would make it a year. And it's made a lot of people rich. The people that got involved early got rich. That first 6-7 months, whoever got involved in Drip in the first 6-7 months are probably millionaires right now. That's just what it is. And that's paying out 1% per day. You buy the token. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. You buy it on Pancake Swap. But you buy the token, you just hold it. And that's it. And you earn 1% per day based on the total amount that you have deposited, right? Well, this, hey, there's no other way to say it. It's a ripoff of Drip. Greatest form of flattery is copying it, right? That's what people say, right? So if it works, then you just duplicate it. I don't know if you can make it better, but you can try to improve little bits of it, right? What's the improvements? Well, here's the improvements. I wouldn't say it's an improvement, but here's what makes it different. You've got Drip that's on the Binance Smart Chain. Splassive or Splash token is on the Avax chain, which I love Avax. Avax is great. Transaction fees are very low, just like the Binance Smart Chain, so it couldn't get any better. Thank God it was not on the freaking Ethereum blockchain, because it would have been way too expensive. So anyway, it's on Avax chain, and the other side to it is it pays out 2% per day as opposed to 1% per day. Now, I don't know about you, but 2% is more than 1%. So I got to give it a shot. I heard about this a while ago when it first started, and I was kind of apprehensive. Somebody else, I think it was, what's his name? Crypto Lightsaber, I believe was his name. Shout out to him. He's a cool dude. He was talking about it, and I should have hopped on it then when it was dirt cheap. I think it opened at about $2. If you notice right here, it's at 36, almost $37 a coin. I'm not sure where Drip is right now, but I think it's close to Drip. And this thing is not maybe a month old. If that, maybe 2 months. I doubt it. I think it's about a month old. So, I missed the initial low cost entrance, but hey, better late than never. And that's kind of why I'm making the video. Better late than never. If you guys want to jump on, you want to join the wave, I'm going to leave my link in the description. I'm not going to make this too long of a video, but I just kind of want to hit some highlights. Like I told you, it's 2% per day that's going to pay you. As you can see, it's working like clockwork. Now, you can't get this coin on Pancake Swap. You can only get it right here on Splassive through the Avax network. So you have to have Avax. And every transaction that you do, everything is almost exactly like Drip. You have a tax on the purchase. You have a tax on the sale. You have a tax when you airdrop. And I'll be doing some airdrops. Obviously, I need to make some more money to do airdrops. So if you join my team, I'm going to help you out, but help yourself too. I'm going to start to look at people that aren't just helping. They just want to wait for airdrops. You need to help yourself, and I'm going to airdrop you some tokens. So let's kind of go over this real quick. Splassive's top. Splassive, I can't even read. Splassive's The Tap is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similarly to a high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on investment up to 360%. Does that sound familiar? If you know Drip, almost verbatim. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, compounding, rewards, as well as through team-based referrals. Same thing as Drip. You use a buddy referral system. You can't just start it. You have to use a referral system, and I'll have my referral ID in the description should you want to join. You know how it is. Not a financial advisor. Just showing you the plays I'm into. But I think this is a decent play. At least you got to give it a shot, right? You never know where it can go. A year from now, you don't want to kick yourself in the butt saying, man, I knew about it and I just didn't get started. All right. Same thing. This is almost an exact duplicate of Drip. And I know a lot of you might be saying, well, why not just get Drip? Well, I get Drip and get this. Why not get both? right? Anyway, similarly to drip, you have the BREEP token that you need to buy if you want to start building a team. Well, this one is called a wave token. All right. Let's kind of start here. I'm going to highlight some things. All right. Here you go. All right. You will receive bonus rewards from referrals on their deposits and downline bonuses from players they refer based on the amount of wave token held in your wallet. Right? 1 to 5,000. One wave token to 5,000. 2 to 10,000. And we can kind of go over that in the white paper. I'm going to just, hit on that right now, but I just want to show you the actual main site. That's a little confusing. To me, it's confusing, but the white paper is a little bit easier to follow. All right, here we go. Everything at the top, everything's just like drip. You go to the whale, it shows you the token price, how much Avax you have available if you want to buy. If I want to buy, let's say I want to buy 5 Avax worth, I can get 11 tokens, Avax balance, splash balance. You have the shore, which is just like the reservoir on drip side. Everything is the same, but 2% per day. So, I had to give it a shot. Heck, even Stunner Breezy got involved. So, if he's involved in it, something's up. And this is actually developed by one of his I guess his homeboys named Bitcoin Brown. And from what I hear, he's a well-known developer. So, it's not like it's some fly-by-night person that you don't know anything about. These guys that have done really well and have really promoted these products know this person. So they trust him. Hey, I got to give him a shot too. So anyway, let's hit this white paper up. All right. Oop. Nope. That is actually my thumbnail. So you got a quick glimpse. So let's hit this white paper up. All right. 2% daily return. The official token of the Splash Network. Yeah, we know about that. The tap. I'm going to let you guys read through this. I'm not reading every freaking thing. All right. You guys, you got eyes, you can read. That's fine. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Albert Einstein. Very good quote. World famous quote. Oh, okay. Here we go. So downline accessible. So if you want to get paid through the first downline, you need 5,000 of the wave token. All right. On down. So if you want to get paid 1, 2, 3, let's say you want to get paid 4 levels down. Let's say you start building a team. You want to get paid 4 levels down. You need at least 30,000 of these wave tokens. All right. And the wave tokens are on a specific site. And I'm going to also have that link that you need to get to. So I'm going to have you prepared. So if you want to build a team, let's say you do want to get started, use my referral link, my buddy ID. Greatly appreciate it. Then if you want to buy the wave token before you start building a team, I'll have the link to do that. I'm going to have everything you need. It's like if you want to bake a cake, you got everything in that pack that you need to bake the cake, and it's going to turn out well. All you got to do is follow the directions. So that's really all I wanted to kind of hit on this video. I want to let you guys know about Splassive, Splash Network, very similar to Drip. It's almost like well, it's not almost. It is an exact duplicate. It's a ripoff of Drip, but it's actually paying pretty good. It's my total investment so far. This is what I've been making here today. I just did 2 airdrops, in fact. So I'm doing it. I'm doing like I said. I'm airdropping. If you sign up, I'm airdropping. I'm helping you. Help yourself, though. Remember, help yourself. All right. That's it pretty much in a nutshell. I just want to kind of go over this, like I said. And if you feel so moved to join, use my referral link again. All right. You know how we do. Bitcoin J. Till next time. Peace.